Good evening, everyone. My name is Murugadas. I am from India. I'm participating in this dev post Amazon OAA Hackathon. My product is Fairwise. So let's get deep dive into what this product is all about. So Fairwise product overview. This helps users, the end users, compare live flight options across different OTA platforms and identify what is the best final price which they can use to book the flights. Let me explain the problem statement. Let's say, for example, if I want to fly from Chennai to Bangalore in India, I need to go to multiple websites, search what is the best price, then and book. For example, the websites like Skyscanner, they just list down what is their normal prices they are listing. But there are these websites in India, ClearTrip or Nexigo, once we go inside the thing, we for each route, and within the each route, we for each flight, they have a different offers. These offers are either through credit card, UPI, or a debit card offers. Now, for a person to know what is the best offer with their credit cards have, he has to traverse through all these pages in a single website and repeat again in another website, for example, Ixigo. Now, this takes him an hour to find what is the best and then again booking it actually. So now, in order to streamline to find a solution, we have come up with this Fairwise product. User here, the user gives only the natural language query, saying that today it is implemented only text. Tomorrow we will add it as a voice option also. User will type, "I want to fly from Chennai to Bangalore on this date. Please book me." That's all he uses. So that why Amazon Nova? The first Nova Lite model, it just transfers what user has typed in a natural language query into our route filters. And the heavy lifting is done by Nova Act, which is traverses through this clear trip and Ixigo pages, finds their offers, and then show them what is the best option that user can choose actually. So why it has to be done through the thing is there is no they are not exposing the REST API to find what is the offers are actually. So these lists, like earlier mentioned, those things are given only the list on prices, but internally when people travel, then only they discover these coupons actually. So that's where NoAct comes into a play in doing an UI automation of browsing their web pages, finding the right price, and then giving us the right solution. So let's go back to the product and see how it looks like actually. So this is what, where I can demonstrate this. I can just start another query. So this is what I am going to give. So first it takes the input and it gives the Novalite model. The Novalite model extracts its Chennai from Bangalore 24/4, and this is the departure window. There is no arrival window given. Max stops is this the default thing. And finally, after extracting, it sorts by price. So it started the query in a parallel to ClearTrip and Ixigo. It finds top three in both the things and then displays to us. So I will give an overview what has been done here. So if you see the same thing, the user has given 2nd April morning. It is extracted, and the phase one is the search and extract. What are the things? It took 1 minute. So everything runs parallel. So this is the first one took the complete thing to offer 3 minutes, and the second one took to 3 minutes 4 seconds. And this is what it looks. So it found in the ClearTrip website, a SpiceJet, Air India Express, Air India Express again with a different flight, and it has listed down different timings and what are all the different prices. You see, it was there 35, but it's actually 3240 actually. So what are all the offers that guy has put? CT UPI, which gives 325, and see, this is the credit card thing. Flipkart Access Card 262 rupees, and SBIC is 260 rupees, and CT DOM is 230 rupees. All these things, and it puts the best offer and then tells this is what they can save. So out of all the three flights, this is the best option that user can save actually. Now similarly, in the Exigo websites, a similar thing, and these are all four different things. And this is the sale they are providing 1,385, and this is IX 2786 3009 is the price. They earlier quoted 3945. So it gives an option to directly take to the user to directly book this actually. Okay, so if you see 2786 here is 3009, but here if you see is 3595. So that's the variation we can see depending upon the flight, and user takes the steps to book this thing. He is directly taken here. So he will directly give, he just need to apply what is this coupon and then go back to the next step. So that's what we are giving to the user. These are all live, and this is what it takes, and this is just for a printing. We are giving what is the raw data here. So apart from that, what we have developed is we have developed for an intuitive dashboard for the admin while the test is progressing. Let's say, for example, we started the first last one, which comes here. This is what it started. It gives you a live logs, what is happening to the Nova Act actually. You see, this is a data extraction step. All is this are Nova Act stuff. So this gives in detail what is really happening there actually. So that's the steps is being done. That's what we started here. So if you see, okay, so it has found initially all the things, what is listed top three here and top three here. The next step is it is finding all the offers there actually. That's a work in progress. So what is being done is being displayed here. So we have also, okay, I think this we have aborted thing. That's why it's not there. But this provides an analysis step. What is these things? For example, you see this. So at the end of the extraction, we run this thing for Nova Pro to find how was our extraction things looks like. So it gives us the results. I think the last one is got captured. So this is how we can expect how these things can come, and it rates each of our phase how it worked actually reviewing the logs. So people can, the most important thing is people can review the logs, what is happening in the system actually, right? So let's say when the system is happening, these are all older logs, and this is the newer log. The execution logs is what I can see what is really happening here when the things are really. So this is done. So one guy is done. That is on the clear trip. So clear trip, it has, though it has found 3,945 is the highest. There is an UPI offer. 3,595 is the best thing. So if you can take this website, that link, it's what you can find. So it's pretty much is the product. Our product we have automated. Um, so this is not limited. So the architecture, these two runs in parallel. And within these things, there is a concurrency thread of no act session when analyzing offers here. There's a multiple concurrency. This is two offers runs here. There are three concurrency runs here in a thread pool execution. That's pretty much about our product. And just going back to the slide, this is the front end and the back end structure. And this is how the user flows. Whatever I explained here has been captured. And these are the three models used for this project. And this is the current scope is only Ixigo and Clear, but can be scaled once we add do other things. And this is just the screenshots I pasted. How does it look like? And this is my GitHub page. Yes. Thank you.